Hey everyone, we're going to take a tour of how to use your compound light microscope and how to store it. So notice that my stage is all the way down. My 4x objective is in place over the stage. There's no slide on the stage. And the cord is wrapped up back here. Sometimes you may have to wrap the cord around. When you carry the microscope, it's very heavy, so it's really important to carry with two hands, one on the arm, one on the base. You can tilt to get under the base, lift, very heavy, so two hands, very important. Also, if you want to move the microscope, if you want to say have your buddy look at something exciting that's on the slide, there's two different ways you can do that. You can either pick up the microscope and move it, or you can turn this piece that has the ocular lenses, turn left or right, left rather, right? So there's a couple of ways you can have other people look at what you're looking at in the microscope, but never, ever, ever slide it because that jostles the lenses and can put your microscope completely out of focus and not able to be used.